Moki. Anak. Moki, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko dapat ginawa yun. I know, 17 ka na. You're growing and there's nothing I can do about it. Mali ako kasi hindi dapat kita dire-deprive sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Especially something as simple as going to a regular school. But you know what? Lately, you've been such a good girl whenever you're taking your medicine. Kaya, yes.
Talaga po.
Pumapayag na ako na i-enroll ka sa regular school.
Talaga, Mami?
Kaya huwag ka na umiyak. Ha?
Thank you po. Thank you, Mami.
But first,
Para saan po yan?
para to sa immune system mo. Para pag pumasok ka sa school, healthy and strong ka. Okay? Okay. Pull down your pajamas. Okay. A little more. That's it. Good girl. Okay. I think you should rest na. Maaga pa tayo bukas.
Sige po, Mami.
There you go. Okay. There.
Good night, Mami.
Good night, anak. I will see you tomorrow. Sweet dreams.
Good night. Diyos ko! Alam mo yung school ko. Nangyari? Bakit di ko magalaw yung legs ko? What happened?
okay? Don't be scared. We're here for you. We're here for you.
Akong bahala sa'yo. Mommy's here. Huwag ka matakot, okay? Why don't I feel my leg? Mommy!
It's gonna be okay. We're gonna figure this out, okay?